you want to restore your eyebrows and looking for hair transplant as an option, you need to watch this video till end. I'm going to discuss few very important points which you cannot afford to miss while choosing a hair transplant option for your eyebrows. I'm Dr. Shail Gupta. I'm a hair transplant surgeon and I have been practicing for almost 2 decades now. Now, eyebrow is such a central part of our face and it is right there in the middle. And anybody, obviously, if anybody is opting for eyebrow hair restoration, he or she is getting it done for beautification purpose, and that is so important. Now, what are three most important tips which you must know before eyebrow hair transplant? Number one is the ideal candidate for hair transplant. Are you an ideal candidate for hair transplantation surgery for eyebrow? So, uh, there are people who are born with thin eyebrows or sometimes even no eyebrows. In those patients, if we have donor area in the scalp, you are a good candidate, the surgery can be performed. In case you are suffering from a problem called alopecia areata, where the eyebrows are lost, you are not a good candidate. In such cases, we should ideally wait, and this condition mostly responds to medications or some tricot injections. But in case it doesn't respond and then the problem is stagnant for years, then you can opt for hair restoration surgeries for your eyebrows. But in case you are having active disease, uh, doing this surgery might damage and might initiate the same problem of alopecia areata in the donor area also. If you have a scar, maybe post-trauma, you are a good candidate, it can be done. But the depth of the scar, the severity of the scar has to be analyzed. In case you are suffering from some scarring disorder, skin disorder like lichen planus, one has to consult a dermatologist, get the condition treated, make sure it is stable, then only you can go for this surgery. This surgery can be done in burn scars also. Yes, but in such cases, we generally recommend a test patch maybe of 5-10 hair just to make sure that before we do the entire procedure, we check whether it is. Now, the second most important tip is choice of method. If you are aware of this, there are two methods, FUT and FUE. I think you must watch these videos which I have made on FUT and FUE. These are most exclusive and very elaborative videos on FUT and FUE. You must know the differences between the methods, the quality of donor grafts which you get from these two types of surgeries. So the links are shared. You can just go to the YouTube channel and see all these videos. Now, eyebrow transplant, since we don't need a big number of grafts, the better method is FUE for eyebrow transplant, and this is a good method, great method. In fact, I myself has got done hair in this portion, eyebrow transplant, and the hair were extracted by FUE method, and see, these hair are merging so well with my existing eyebrow. There was a scar tissue in this area. So third important tip is the artistic aspects of eyebrow transplant. So a lot of patients come to me for repair. See, if you see my eyebrow, this thing here, the alignment of these hair is excellent. It is very much in line, and it looks very natural. So a lot of patients come to me for repair of wrongly done eyebrow transplants. What can be wrongly done? The angles of hair, they might be not in alignment with the eyebrow. they might be, standing straight or going in wavered angles. So in such cases, we have to extract and reimplant. So be careful, because it is right there in the middle of your face and it really looks ugly, it really looks bad. So you have to take care of this. Sometimes because of low cost, patients choose wrong clinics and they get this done and then they repent later on. And once it is done, even if we try to repair it, we won't be able to fix it in a way that we would have done, in a primary case. Let me tell you, in fact, not only eyebrows, for the scalp hair also, almost 70% of my practice is repair transplants these days. As the number of transplant clinics is increasing and they are mushrooming all around, uh, you know, the number of cases who are wrongly done, who are unhappy, is also on rise. Unfortunately, uh, such patients are shattered. They are very much demoralized and demotivated, and they sometimes lose hope. So, in case somebody who has undergone a transplant and needs repair, do let me know. Uh, we'll help him. So I hope this video helped you, and if you like the content, please press like button and share it with your friends who might need it. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and if you still have some questions, you can ask in the comment section. We'll be very happy to help, and you can also call us at given numbers. In case you haven't already subscribed our channel, please subscribe it for more videos, for results of eyebrow transplants, and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive all the notifications. Thank you, love yourself, stay blessed.